Hey everyone, Sharpan here. In this video, I'm going to talk about GXTrade, the core product behind the global exchange operating system, how it works, what it's meant to accomplish, and how it's going to fit in to the greater global exchange ecosystem. Now, when we started to develop global exchange, the product that we had in mind before we were really able to conceive of it being a more operating system oriented offering was GXTrade. And GXTrade is really simple. How can we allow the end user to trade on multiple exchanges without having to create accounts on all of those exchanges and having to leave their money on all of those exchanges? That was the original ambition behind GXTrade. And to accomplish that, we had to really scour the industry for opportunities to build an infrastructure that multiple parties can agree on. Because really at the core of GXTrade, it is a network of exchange operators, liquidity providers, token issuers, and of course the end customer who wants to engage with all of them. And since exchanges in the cryptocurrency markets are very siloed, meaning if you're using Binance, Binance wants you to use only Binance. If you're using OKX, it's only OKX. If you're using Coinbase, it's only Coinbase. To come to consensus like that is not the easiest thing. So we had to search far and wide for existing networks that we can leverage to build this incredible product. And at the center of everything was the client's custody. Now, in my previous videos, I've discussed a lot about how important it is for the client to have the option and the control over where he leaves his money and not to be servile to third-party platforms. And that's really what we went to accomplish at Global Exchange. So how have we done in accomplishing our mission? Well, we've done an incredible job, and we've almost finished building a remarkable product. We really wanted to get this product as close to our vision as possible before releasing it, and we're so close to being there. So essentially, the way GXTrade works today is it's a central routing engine that allows you to use a technology called smart order routing to connect both your private and non-private wallets to multiple exchanges. We plug into about 170 different cryptocurrency exchanges, the largest exchanges in the world with the deepest order books, for you to access all of them on a central platform without having to create multiple accounts, without having to go through multiple registrations, without having to navigate multiple user interfaces. This simplifies the process for the end consumer. And the best part about it is that we have a hybrid storage solution. What that means is that you have the option to be able to leave your assets directly on the end exchange where you want to execute the trade. So you can use us to leave your money on Binance from one wallet that we provide, or you can use a private wallet, one that you own the private keys to be able to interact with the order books of the exchanges that plug into GXTrade. And so we will be releasing a periodic set of videos that explain kind of the intertwinings of all of this and how it's going to come together. This is obviously the most complicated and most important product within the global exchange operating system. We are excited to roll it out iteration by iteration, but we're also going to be cautious because it is so important to the greater success of the ecosystem. So this is an introductory video to kind of get your brains acclimated to what is to come. It is so cool, and how the technology wraps around the customer interface and how it connects you to all of these different liquidity providers. So with that being said, stay tuned for upcoming videos on GXTrade.